In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll on LinkedIn, a feature that can be really handy for gathering opinions or engaging your professional network. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to LinkedIn's website. Simply open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. You can do this by using your Google or Microsoft account, or if you prefer, use your email address and password. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you might also be asked to verify your identity by entering a code sent to your phone. This step is crucial for ensuring your account remains secure while you use LinkedIn's features. With that done, let's proceed to creating a poll. On your LinkedIn homepage, direct your attention to the Write a Post option. This is where you'll start your process. Click on it and you'll see a variety of posting options. Look for a button labeled More. Clicking this will reveal additional options for creating content on LinkedIn. From the list, you want to select Create a Poll. This is the option that lets you engage with your network by asking for their input in a structured way. After selecting this, you'll be presented with a few fields to fill out. The first of these is your poll question. You want to enter a question that is clear and concise, keeping it within the 140 character limit provided by LinkedIn. Next, add your poll choices. You must provide at least 2 options and you can add up to 4. Remember, each of these answer choices needs to be 30 characters or less. This is crucial to ensure clarity and to fit LinkedIn's format. Once your question and options are ready, it's time to decide on the duration of your poll. LinkedIn gives you a range to choose from. Your poll can last for as short as 1 day, or it can remain open for up to 2 weeks. Consider your audience and the nature of your question when deciding the duration. For example, if you're looking for quick feedback, a shorter poll might be better. With everything set, you'll simply click Done to finalize your poll setup. Then all that's left to do is click Post to share your poll with your network. Once it's posted, keep an eye on the responses and engage with any feedback you receive. It's a great way to spark conversation and connect with others in your industry. And there you have it, your poll is live and ready to gather insights. Creating a poll on LinkedIn is straightforward and can be a valuable tool for information gathering and engagement. Thanks for joining me and happy polling.